In this video, we're gonna check if we can switch lenses while recording a video on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So I'm gonna use this little toy car for a reference. Let's start recording. And as you can see, we can change the zoom, so this is a good sign. If we zoom out to 0.5x, we should be able to use ultra-wide lenses. And as you can see, there is this little jump, which suggests that we can change lenses. I'm gonna actually zoom in also in order to check if the position of the toy car changes after zooming just enough. And it seems that we keep using the same lens all the time. I'm gonna also check the full HD resolution as well, 60 frames. Let's give it a try. And let's start recording. And it seems that it stays on the same, it uses the same lens all the time. Let's give it this one a try. So it seems that we are stuck on the same camera lens, but we can actually switch to the ultra wide as well. So I guess partially we can. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!